This is our room at Boyne Mountain Resort. Yes.
Are you going to take a video?
Right now I am.
He's going to take a video, so you guys stay on the top phone.
Angela's birthday and Felicia's
Okay, we have to turn around.
Beaumont Convention.
He's going to come take a video. And I'm going to stay down here.
I'm coming. This is the girls' room. Hi, girls.
Hi.
Are you getting settled in? Where's Linda? Oh, hi, Lindy.
Hiyo. Hiyo.
Heyo.
Come in. Come in.
Okay, we go through this door. Okay, I'm just gonna video the other rooms because I'm going to run out of video. Hello. Really quick. Hi.
Welcome.
We're doing a video tour.
Sorry, things are messy.
Boyne
Just getting it organized.
Resort. So this is our 3-bedroom suite. Do-do-do. And there we have it. Ta-da! That's it.